How to meditate. 1. Choose a peaceful environment. Meditation should be practiced in a peaceful location. A tranquil environment will enable you to focus exclusively on the task at hand and avoid external stimuli and distractions. Find a place where you will not be interrupted for the duration of your meditation, whether it lasts 5 minutes or half an hour. The space does not need to be very large. A walk-in closet or even an outdoor bench can be used for meditation as long as you have privacy. For those new to meditation, it's especially important to avoid any external distractions. Turn off TV sets, phones, or other noisy appliances. If you play music, choose calm, repetitive tunes to avoid breaking your concentration. Another option is to turn on a small water fountain since the sound of running water is calming. 2. Wear comfortable clothes. One of the major goals of meditation is to calm the mind and block out external distractions. This can be difficult if you feel physically uncomfortable due to tight or restrictive clothing. Try to wear loose clothing during meditation practice and make sure to remove your shoes. Wear a sweater or cardigan if you plan on meditating someplace cool. You don't want the sensation of feeling cold to consume your thoughts. If you are in a place where you can't easily change your clothes, do your best to make yourself as comfortable as possible. Try just taking off your shoes. 3. Decide how long you want to meditate. Before you begin, you should decide how long you are going to meditate. While many seasoned meditators recommend 20-minute sessions twice a day, beginners can start by doing as little as 5 minutes once a day. You should also try to meditate at the same time each day, whether it's 15 minutes first thing in the morning or 5 minutes on your lunch hour. Whatever length of time you choose, try to make meditation a regular part of your daily routine. 4. Stretch out. Meditation involves sitting in one spot for a certain period of time, so it is important to release any tension or tightness before you begin. A couple of minutes of light stretching can help prepare both your body and mind for meditation. It will also prevent you from focusing on any sore spots instead of relaxing. Remember to stretch your neck, shoulders, and lower back, especially if you've been sitting in front of a computer. Stretching out your legs, with an emphasis on the inner thigh, can be helpful when meditating in the lotus position. 5. Sit in a comfortable position. It is very important that you are comfortable while you meditate, so finding the best position for you is the goal. Traditionally, meditation is practiced by sitting on a cushion on the ground in either a lotus position or half lotus position. But this position can be uncomfortable if you lack flexibility in your legs, hips, and lower back. You want to find a posture that allows you to sit with a balanced, tall, and straight posture. You can sit, with or without crossing your legs, on a cushion, chair, or meditation bench. 6. Close your eyes. Meditation can be performed with the eyes open or closed. As a beginner, it is often best to try meditating with closed eyes in order to avoid visual distractions. Once you have grown accustomed to meditation, you can try practicing with your eyes open. This tends to help if you find yourself falling asleep when meditating with your eyes closed or if you experience disturbing mental images, which happens to a small number of people. When you keep your eyes open, you will need to keep them soft by not focusing on any one thing in particular. You don't want to go into a trance-like state. The goal is to feel relaxed yet alert. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel.